In this video, I will be showing you how to build apps with Lovable AI. Let's get started. First, I navigate to the Lovable dashboard and click directly inside the main prompt text box. Here, I type out my prompt asking the AI to create a simple expense tracker web app where users can add income and expenses, view their current balance, and see a list of transactions, using a clean, modern, and responsive design. Once the prompt is complete, I click the black Submit arrow button on the right to start building. As the AI begins generating, a small credit pop-up appears at the bottom, so I click the X button to close it out. Now, Lovable AI goes to work creating our application from scratch. It carefully plans the structure, handles backend logic, and writes all the necessary front-end components for our expense tracker. Once the generation process finishes, the preview window expands on the right side of the screen, revealing our complete working application. I scroll down through the preview panel to inspect all the visual elements, including the total balance overview cards, transaction forms, and recent activity list. To test the application in full view, I click the pop-out icon at the top right of the preview panel to open our app in a new browser tab. On the live app page, I test the interactive features by clicking the Add Expense button first without entering data, which triggers the browser's required field notice. Next, I click inside the description field and type sample. Then, I click on the amount field and type 1000. I click the Add Expense button, and the app instantly updates the current balance, reflects the new expense total, and logs the transaction in the recent transactions list. With everything working smoothly, I click back to the Lovable dashboard tab. Finally, I move up to the top right header and click the Publish button, which brings up our deployment modal with a live custom web URL ready to share. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.